Okay, so today we're gonna talk about a camera that's a really compact, modular 6x9 film camera. It is the makina, plaubel makina 3, which is a really old camera. 6x9. We bought it for around $700 online, and it's fully modular, really compact 6x9 camera. It's got 3 lenses. We have the widest right here, which is a 10 centimeter f2.9. See, it's really small. 6x9 wide angle. It's got a wide angle and then a standard and then a telephoto lens. So just attach this on the camera, screw in the back. You see the frame. It's huge. Let's compare this to a this 645. This 6.7, and then this 6.9. You see, compared to the 645, like, look at the size. This is huge. And then you get a huge negative, and then you have a compact body. We're using a Canon AE1 as a light stand. So you just simply attach this back on the body, like slide in, then lock it. You have this compact body, and it's got a beautiful metal hood, screw on, and when you don't want to use it, you can just unlock it like that. And it's got a beautiful clickless aperture. When you want to use it, you just pull it and then press this, pull it again until it locks into place. As you can see, it's really easy to bring it around. It's quite heavy. Be honest, it's one of the hardest 6x9 camera I've ever used, but it's compact, it's quite cheap. So you just hold it using this weird handle like that, and then it's a rangefinder. So you have this 2 range-finding window right here, and it's got a small like a 3 range-finding viewfinder. And then using this wide lens, on the menu it suggests you to use this framing finder like that, you know, using this and then just frame it, and then using this to range find. So simply just grab this and then using this knob and then match your 2 split image and then cock the shutter and then point and shoot. It's got speed ranging from 200 all the way down to bulb like that, and the shutter is built in so you can change lenses. It's got a flash sync mode as well, but I don't know how to attach the flash by using this like a wire loop thing. I think you have to use like one of those, I don't know, I don't care, but it's hard to use, and you're holding this really heavy machine and it's really heavy, so you gotta hold it using both hands, and then range finding this really small patch. It's really hard to use. And talking about hard to use, this thing is the hardest. The back. It's like all of the backs, but it's really primitive. Just open it. Everything is like there's no, everything's manual, you know. On this, unlock this. There's an inner frame, and you gotta move your spool into here, and then it doesn't have a holder right here, so it's flipping around. You gotta use your roll and then wrap around this, put it back, and then put it back into here, and then lock it. And finding this one, you gotta roll it up to like that. When you load it to 1, it will lock into place. And when you after you're done shooting, you gotta flip this and then roll it to 2. But I find this don't work most of the time because we're having this like weird result. We're just having this. You can see these photos. It's overlapping each other, and then we have a blank, nothing. The whole row would just get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 4.5 picture, and one of them, I think the photographer forgot to advance, so we got a double exposure. It's really hard to use. And then this too, just reminder of what type of film and then what ISO is it. But overall, a really fun, compact 6.9 camera with a great lens. You know, just imagine like 2.9, 6.9 on the 6.9. You can see the bokeh. This is fully open. Okay. Let me get the light here. You can see the bokeh right here. It's not bokeh or anything. As in Japanese, is bokeh. Bokeh. That's how they say it. You can see beautiful round bokeh. This is fully open at 2.9. So of course we'll throw some scan image on here as well. Yeah, that's it. This is the plaubel Makina 3. Okay.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.